In class 12 business studies, we are on chapter number 8, controlling, and yesterday I explained you about the meaning of controlling, and then I explained you about the importance of controlling. So today again we will start the topic. A third single, please switch your video on. A third single. So today we are going to start the topic. Again, I am telling you about the importance of controlling. See, controlling is necessary because it is helpful in accomplishing organizational goals. It is helpful in judging accuracy of standards. It is useful or it is helpful in efficient use of resources. It helps in employees' motivation. It ensures order and discipline for all activities. It is helpful in coordination. It is helpful in decision making. So these are the importance. Yesterday I explained you. If you have any doubt in these points, you can see the yesterday's video. Now we are on the new topic, that is limitations of controlling, drawbacks of controlling. See, my dear children, here excessive controlling, strict controlling is related. See, controlling is necessary everywhere. Without controlling, Shalini, switch your video on. Please don't off frequently, you are doing that. So my dear children, our today's topic is limitations of controlling. See, I am not in favor that the controlling has drawbacks, but in my opinion, if that is very strict, very rigid, inflexible, then there will be some drawbacks are there. First, the main limitation or main drawback of controlling is it is difficult to set standards. Standard means pre-decided norms. Shifa, you can learn by listening only. No need to make notes now. You have very sharp memory. You can just learn by listening. After 6 months, you will have this capacity to learn all the things, my dear. So why I am showing these slides and these because so that you can make your notes. Difficulty in setting standards. Controlling will be effective only when standards are fixed in quantitative terms. What is the meaning of quantitative terms now? Sudhanshu Alreja, please switch your video and switch your audio off, please. You are disturbing the class, my dear. Garvit Rai, switch your video on, please. So our today's topic, we are continuing that it is difficult to set standards. See, my dear children, what is standards? I'll tell you and I'll explain the process. But standard means pre-decided norms. So what the work will be performed by every employee, it is difficult to say. Because we cannot predict the future. And standards are always fixed in quantitative terms, not in qualitative. See, I am giving you the example. Like I have to teach you 10 chapters up to November. That is 10 is quantitative term. And what will be the quality, we cannot decide. It's up to us. In how many days we have to complete the chapter. So quantitative terms is easy to fix or easy to decide as a standard, but qualitative terms we cannot decide. Like I am giving you one more example. In the famous city of sweets of Kota, they tell their employee, you can make 5 kg laddus in a day. That is, you will make, means that is standard performance for them, that is fixed in quantitative terms. But what will be the shape, what will be the quality, you cannot decide. Someone will make the quantity in within limited hours, someone will not be able to make it because you cannot decide the quality. So quantitative terms it is easy, but qualitative decision is very difficult. Many things we cannot express in quantity. So in that case, controlling will be less effective. Then major point of failure of controlling. See, my dear children, I am giving you the example of corona pandemic. We have earlier in every year, we have completed our portion before the Diwali holidays. But now this year it is not possible because we cannot control the external factors. Who can control the coronavirus? No one. That is pandemic. Our Prime Minister is giving 7 times national speech, means we can see the seriousness. So we cannot control the external factors. Various factors are there which are the reason of failure of our plans, like government policies that may be changed, technological changes, competitors. You can add corona. These cannot be controlled by the organization, by the. So controlling, there is very little control on external factors. We cannot control the technological changes as well. See, I am teaching through Zoom. In my teaching career of 33 years, that is the first time. I am trying my best, but some students are there or someone is there to destroy that efforts. That is not in my control. These all are external factors. Yesterday someone was destroying my slides. So various reasons are there and we cannot control them. Little control on external factors. Various factors, competitors are there, customers' choices can be changed, technological changes are there, so the controlling may be not possible. We have very less control on external factors. I can give you the example. Just a few days back, 2 major communication company, mobile service providers merged. Which are the 2 companies? Two companies merged to face the tough competition by Jio. Because individually they are unable to face that competition. So their controlling system, their functions of management are becoming failed. So they are going too much. So they have very less control. Everyone has very less control on external factors. Any day new competitor may come, any day new technology will be there, maybe the customer's choice will be. Then the next point. This is also a major point of limitations of controlling resistance from employees. See, many people don't want that someone control us. If we are doing our work, we don't want that someone interfere us. Someone will be there to reduce our freedom. In the style of leadership, chapter 8, I explain 3 types of leadership. First is autocratic. Autocratic style of leadership means the person will interfere in your work. He has controlling power. He takes all the decisions. He just order you. So employee will not prefer that system. Same democratic, employees will prefer. So there are a style of leadership or a style of persons to control. Someone is not ready. Maximum employees oppose the controlling system. Like CCTV. When that is installed everywhere, everyone refused to accept it. Everyone opposed it because everyone says that is against our privacy. But see, my dear system, punching system is for time, CCTV is for watching, feedback calls from customers. These all are under the controlling system, but employees may oppose the control measures. Who wants control? No one. Who wants that their freedom may be reduced? No one. That's why people resist. People don't prefer to be controlled. So employees may oppose the controlling measures taken by the firm because they may feel that it will reduce their freedom. It will reduce their creativity. If there is excessive control, no one will prefer that. If you want to note down, you can. What are the controlling measures? CCTV, punching system. If you are 1 minute late, maybe there will be absent mark in the register. CCTV is just to watch you. So many people, many employees don't prefer that. Then it is a costly. How we can say it is a costly affair? CCTV installation, punching system installation, call centers for customer care. That is also a controlling system, but it is very costly affair. A small organization cannot afford to install an effective control system as it is very costly. See, I have 2 mates. Can I put punching system for them? No. Why? Because I cannot afford to install, because it is a costly affair. But a big organization can afford it. A big organization can install it. Where there are many workers, they have to install punching system to mark their attendance, CCTV, customer care centers, call centers. These are the points. Importance of controlling and limitations of controlling one by one, difficulty in setting standards. It is very difficult to set the standards. Standard means pre-decided norms in quantitative terms. First is difficulty in setting standards. Standard means the quantitative term setup is easy, but qualitative term setup is very difficult. Little control on external factors. Little control on external factors. External factors means competition, customers, changes, technological changes. These are the external factors and we cannot control them. Then resistance from employees or opposed from employees. Generally, employees don't prefer to be controlled. They don't want to reduce their freedom. They don't want CCTV or attendance system. And the next is costly. It is costly and time consuming. So the point we can make is DLRC or CVLR. So limitations keyword is CVL. CVLR. It's very easy then to learn. C means costly. Controlling is costly up there. D, difficulty in setting standards. Okay, now unmute you, then we will discuss. Now, my dear children, listen carefully. We discussed today limitations of control. And yesterday we discussed importance of control. See, in the exam, that question will come, you can write one line that excessive is harmful always. Otherwise, there is no limitation of any function of management. Planning is good. Organizing and staffing and directing is also required. Controlling is very necessary in every organization. Then how we can say there are some drawbacks here? So in your answer, you will write that excessive of everything is harmful in some way. So excessive controlling, very strict controlling is also very harmful. You never accept a teacher who is very strict. You never expect your parents to be strict with you. No one knows. So then why many organizations where we are as working as employees, we also don't know. You will also not agree with the excessive controlling system. So what are the, so there is, you can see there, controlling is necessary, but excessive controlling is harmful. And what are the drawbacks? Difficulty in setting standards. It is difficult to set the standards because the standards are always set in quantitative terms, but we cannot decide the quality. I can teach you business studies in 1 month. That is quantitative standard, but who will decide the quality? Quality cannot be decided in standards. They decided norms. See, it depends on the person to person. In 1.5 months, we completed directing 1 chapter. So it depends. The quality cannot be pre-decided. That is not the standard. Then little control on external factor. Who thought that corona pandemic will come and that destroy your class 12 enjoyment? No one. Same resistance from employees everywhere. That is. Then it is a costly affair. It is costly affair because putting up CCTV cameras, punching machine, customer care centers, feedback forms, it all involves some cost and time. So it is costly and time consuming as well. Okay. Now my point is, Naman, listen here. Do you think their controlling is important for everyone? Unmute yourself better. The answer will be from yesterday's video. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Controlling is necessary. Yes. In spite of some limitations, controlling is necessary. Then next, little control on external factors. Do you think customers' choices, competitors, condition of market, corona pandemic, government policies, condition will affect your controlling system? Yes or no? Yes. Agree, Nishika? These things, competitors, customers' choices, market conditions, government policies, or this corona pandemic will affect our 5 functions of management surely. Planning may be failed. What plans we have made that is not possible due to customers' choice, competitors, conditions. Same controlling is not possible. Controlling will be failed. Because on the controlling system or on the controlling factor, we cannot control the external factors. We can control ourselves. We can control ourselves. We can control the internal situations, but external situations we cannot control. See, you can sanitize yourself. You can wear the mask yourself, but what others are doing, you cannot control. This is the point here. We cannot control the external factors. We can control ourselves. So I am sure you will understood today's topic. Yesterday we completed importance and today we completed limitations. See, in this chapter, only 3 topics are there. So tomorrow we will start process of control and all other chapters, techniques of controlling, and these all are removed by CBSE. So only 3 topics are there in this chapter. Then we will start book 2.